everyone. So welcome to the next episode of Real Estate Ramblings. Today we're going to talk all about what it takes, what it costs to buy a home. So I'm going to be the bearer of some bad news and tell you that there are shocking expenses whenever you go to buy a home. In fact, I have got about 10 shocking expenses, right? Got to get the drama in there for whenever you buy a home. So I think many times people are automatically in the mindset that when they purchase a home, all they've got to do is make the down payment. And sometimes people understand that there are also closing costs involved. Well, there are a bit more than closing costs involved. So I'm going to go through my list. Number one, a home appraisal. So if you are getting lending of any sort, you will be needing to have a home appraisal. Now, some lenders will actually cover the cost of this for you. It just depends upon the lender and it depends upon the program, the type of loan that you're going to get. So number one is your appraisal. Number two is your inspection. And again, number one and number two are paid for. And let's see, number three, they're all going to be paid for weeks before you get to the closing table. So you've got to have that cash on hand ready to go then. Number two is your inspection. This typically costs anywhere between $300 to $500. Number three would be a specialty inspection. So if you've got to have somebody come out and take a deeper look at the air conditioning system, that will cost you the cost of a service call. I think that's typically about $80. Number four, closing costs. We covered this a little earlier. Those can sometimes be in the thousands of dollars. In fact, most of the time they are a couple of thousand, if not more, dollars. Number five, a survey. So if the seller does not still have their survey on hand, then it becomes a negotiable item. Maybe you end up paying for the survey, which could cost about, I don't know, anywhere from $400 to $500. And that again is paid before closing most of the time. Number six, HOA, resale certificate, and transfer fee. So the HOAs in Texas, we have to fill out this form for it. It's an addendum that is that goes along with the contract. But there are two different fees on there, and they are completely negotiable between buyer and between seller, and they are the resale certificate and the transfer fee. The seventh shocking home expense would be moving day odds and ends. So remember, you've got to pay for your movers if you're hiring movers, but a lot of other little things can pop up on moving day that will cost you money. Number eight would be your prepaids. So a common prepaid that you would recognize would seem natural to have would be your homeowner's insurance. A lot of times you will pay for your homeowner's insurance a whole year in advance. So it's not the way that you may typically pay for it once you're in the house, which could be quarterly or monthly. You've got to pay for your insurance about a year in advance. Number nine, maintenance and updates. So if you move into the house and there are some things that need to be done, some things that maybe the seller did not agree to fix or pay for, but you want to get them done, you may have to pay for those. You may want to get them done before your stuff is even moved into the house. And finally, this is my favorite one, but furniture, decor, and appliances. So if the home does not work with your old furniture, you may want to go out and bring in all new living room furniture, right? And then decor to match. Or maybe the home has got a great kitchen, but the appliances are a little dated, or maybe they don't work well. You want to go out and buy appliances. So remember, all of this stuff can really add up over time. Again, sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but I really think it's important that you understand buying a home can be a bit more costly than most of the time I think that people realize. So I really appreciate you watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share, please leave a comment. Maybe I'm missing something. Let me know. And if you have a real estate question, I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. I will see y'all next time. Bye.